TRUMPF TPC 152. With the new panel cutter TPC 152, TRUMPF emphasizes on cutting heat and noise-insulating sandwich panels. The user-friendly arrangement of the handles ensures precise and fatigue-proof cutting. Sandwich panels up to a total thickness of 150 mm are cut in one operation. The fully automatic chain stopper ensures 100% safety for the user. Exchanging the blade and the chain is in next to no time. Two tool lengths allow for processing sandwich panels up to a total thickness of 80 and 150 mm respectively. When inserting the chain, the direction of the teeth is to be followed. The play of the chain can be adjusted with a chain adjuster. During cutouts, the tool is driven into the panel without involving energy by means of the ergonomically attached handle. With the help of the vacuum means the formation of dust is reduced to a minimum. The steel brush, which is attached close to the chain, protects the user from flying chips and keeps the view to the cutting surface free. The lateral guiding marks on the table provide for precise cutting. On this facade, a cutout for a window can be made. On the basis of this practical example, the advantage of the TRUMPF TPC 152 is clearly evident. The whole cutout can be carried out in one step. The cut is rectangular and without burrs. Subsequent machining is superfluous. Due to the perfect interchange means of the TRUMPF panel cutter, the working process is dramatically reduced. The TPC 152 was used for a great variety of cutting operations during the construction of this workshop. The panel cutter is provided with an integrated lubricator. This ensures constantly high cutting performance at maximum operating safety. One fill-up is adequate for 150 meters of cutting. We recommend using the stamping and nippling oil from TRUMPF. The Teflon-coated guide rails reduce scratching on the panel surface. they can be exchanged if necessary. By means of a scale, the tool can make precise cuts to a measured depth. So you can also perform particular tasks like an expert. Possible collisions with girder elements can also be avoided by adjusting the depth of the blade. Now it is up to you to take charge of the TRUMPF. TRUMPF Panel Cutter TPC 152. Nothing cuts easier.